Hey guys, HW from the Nectar Club. I can't believe it's been 7 years since I stopped using the pod machines, in particular the Audi coffee pod machine. And you're probably wondering what I've been doing all of that time. And the answer's here right in front of you. I purchased this little puppy, which is the Breville Barista Express, back in late 2016. And since that time, this has been the beautiful little machine that's brewed my flat whites in the morning and my piccolos in the afternoon. Highly recommend this machine for anyone who likes to have a coffee at home. I think you can still pick them up for around the $650 range at, Harvey Norman or JB Hi-Fi, whatever your white goods supplier is. What's great about this machine is that it has the burr grinder on it, and with the gauge on the side allows you to dial up the grain of the coffee up or down depending on the consistency that you need. The machine has setting for how much coffee you want to actually come out of the grinder as well for your coffee basket. It has a a pressure gauge on it to let you know how much pressure is being applied to your coffee as it's extracted. The coffee basket holder here that it comes with is quite heavy and solid, which is good. And I always use these double-walled coffee baskets for my coffee. It comes with one, but I bought an extra one off eBay or some site like that. And I've got two coffee jugs. So yeah, look, highly recommend this machine if you like your coffee at home. Now, if you want to know what else the Nectar Club's been up to all of that time, so we've still been operating mostly on Instagram, and Twitter as well. Twitter's more articles, Instagram's more photos, and they're photos of all the different coffee shops that I've been getting down to over the past 7 years. Some overseas, some in America, some in Singapore, some down in Melbourne, some around the rest of Australia. So if you want to keep up to date on a sort of day-to-day basis, Nectar_Club at Instagram's your place, or if you like coffee articles, Nectar_Club on Twitter. The last video I actually posted was just the other day, which was my first one for 7 years. Was I put a little YouTube short of this little puppy here, which is the Breville percolator. Now this thing dates back to the 80s. This was my old man's, but it still works fine. And I like to use it when I like to have a black coffee, because I don't always like to have milk in my coffee. So yeah, get onto Instagram and have a look at the Nectar_Club there and follow us there. And I might try to start doing some more videos here, so whether they're YouTube shorts or whether they're longer videos at various cafes as I get around town. We'll see what happens. So yeah, until next time, get stuck into your nectars.